Hello, how are you?
All fine. I hope you too.
Hope you're enjoying your new kitchen.
Yes, very much.
So, since you've experienced kitchens in Germany and India, so we are really excited to hear your honest opinions on Indian kitchens.
Yes.
So, let's start. How was your overall experience with Radiance kitchens and furniture?
Okay, so the first interaction was with Devashi, and I have to say it was a very positive way of working together. She was able to understand what we actually need, and we had a good way of working together. Yes.
Okay, so what made you choose Radiance?
By recommendation, actually, by neighbors, friends, and whoever had a good feedback, and of course, we got a quotation done and then chose.
So, how did you find the design process? Did the team understand your lifestyle and your needs?
Yes, definitely. They understood very well. I think so. It was a good team, a good understanding, and communication was good. And the 3D designing was very important, right? That the design was done, and we went multiple times to the drawings, and each and every detail could be discussed. So yes, positive.
Any particular design or detail that you love the most in your kitchen?
Yeah, that is an open kitchen. That's like really family friendly for the children and us, and it's like I guess yes, it's an Indian-German mix because we do not exclude the Didis from the family life. We are kind of mixing it all. Yes. So I like the open kitchen part.
Okay. So, are there any features that have made your daily cooking and storage more convenient?
Of course, I mean everything. The whole kitchen is now very convenient. I mean, we have enough space. We never stand in each other's way. Storage is good. I mean, perfect actually. There's nothing which we regret or anything. No, that's perfect.
And how's the quality of materials and the finishes?
Okay, so I have to say the lamination part is excellent. I mean, and we chose an Indian lamination, dark gray color, and it's absolutely maintenance free. So that I have to say is perfect. There's nothing getting damaged or anything like that. And the platform, actually, we had our tile guy doing it. So the choice of platform is good. The only thing what I would next time do different is the edge. But okay, that is something which not Radiance had a word in. That was our choice. Sorry.
Would you recommend Radiance kitchens to your friends and family?
Yes. So we have installed the kitchen by Radiance. After that, we had some modular work in the bedroom, and I have to say Radiance was absolutely satisfying as compared to the other option. So I would always go with Radiance. Really, I mean, honest answer, not because I want to promote or anything. Right? So.
Hi Karen, how are you?
I'm fine.
So did you like the kitchen?
Yes.
Yes, so do you go and cook or you help your mom in the kitchen?
With my grandmother the last year I was baking a lot for Christmas. That was fun.
So did you enjoy it? You like the new kitchen? Thank you. Anything else that you would like to add?
Don't know. I don't think it's fine. It's
Any
fine.
good memories that you have in this kitchen?
The carpenter who came, the Rajasthani carpenter who did the whole installation, it was a very nice person. So he came, was very capable, he knew what he was doing, he had suggestions, and he had a good mix of listening and at the same time getting things done. So like, you can be as a customer very painful also. So he managed it very well, I would say, yes. So the installation was positive, yeah, very good.
Okay, so thank you so much for choosing Radiance. Have a nice day.
Yes, you too.
Thank you.